Happy Saturday, guys. It is 8:01 on the dot. And I've been up for at least an hour and a half, but I need to refresh my nails. I just put these on a week ago and I'm over them. I want a color, and Madam Glam sent over some beautiful spring colors, girl, and these are their gel nail colors. And they sent over one of their mini nail lamps. So I'm going to go ahead and change my nail color real quick. I think I'm going to go with this nudie color. Always Late. That looks really pretty, really springy. And yeah, I'm going to show you what those look like after I'm done. And girl, it's Saturday, so you already know I have to go to work. So you guys are going to go to work with me and get into whatever I get into today. All right, so this is us at one coat, girl. Madam Glam does the thing every time. It is so nice, thick and opaque. Yeah, literally all you need is one coat. But these are cute, okay? These are super cute. We don't have a top coat on yet, but I'm thinking we should at least have one bling nail. One bling nail on this simple set. Love these though. So cute, and they look so natural. But I don't know. I kind of like them plain too, though. I do like them plain. I don't know. All right. Due to the time, I left them plain. I really, really like this color. Again, this is Always Late by Madam Glam. All their information will be linked down below in that description box, so do not skip over it. And I do have a coupon code for you ladies as well, okay? Really nice gels, okay? And the color range is so vast. So many beautiful colors to choose from. I've been a fan for some time now. I love Madam Glam, but girl, this color is everything. And this was just one coat. Love, love, love. Oh, good morning, guys. Good morning. An official good morning, because girl, I came into the vlog doing my nails and I absolutely love the way these came out. I love the nude, though I was contemplating putting the bling bling on them, because y'all know I love me some bling bling, but nude, you know, the nude is given. It's really given, so I love that. So girl, I had to be on shift about 11 o'clock, and it's just like, I don't know. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 9:13 a.m.
Okay, 9:13, so we're doing good. So I'm going to go ahead and beat my mug real quick and throw on something, because it's Saturday. And Saturday's a chill day, so we're going to put on something chill. And, you know, get this work day knocked out. And when we're in the car, I guess I'll give you a little update as to why I've been a little absent here on YouTube. But girl, I just been relaxing and getting my life together, because I know that things are about to go real fast for me in the next few weeks. So just getting my rest and getting my mind right. So yeah, let me quickly beat my mug. This takes me no time to do, and I just use my Smashbox primer. Shout out to Smashbox, girl. My makeup gets a little dirty because I keep it in this little makeup bag nowadays. Since I have to get up so early for work, I just come up front to my upfront bathroom and just do everything in here. Don't ask me why, I just do. It's just easier. Plus my room is still in disarray, so and that's one thing I gotta do this weekend, is get my life together in this space. I do. It's just so much.
You say that you think about me every day, Saturday to Saturday. You see that I've been going through it, hoping everything's okay. I just wanna let you know everything
since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches that don't get it. You're a star, love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'd never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me. I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Darling, you give, but you cannot take love.
Yeah, I needed to hear that shit. I hate when you're submissive. Passive aggressive when we're texting, I feel the distance. I look around and peers that's around me, these niggas tripping. I like when money makes a difference, but don't make you different. Started realizing a couple places I could take it. I wanna get back to when I was that kid in the basement. I wanna take it deeper than money, pussy, vacation. And influence a generation that's lacking the patience. I've been dealing with my dad, speaking of lack of patience. Just me and my old man getting back to basics. We've been talking about the future and time that we waste.
Okay, so we're making good timing. Just got dressed. It is 10 o'clock on the dot. Well, 10:02. So nonetheless, we're still making a good time. Threw on a blazer. This is like my absolute favorite blazer right now because it's perfect for this season, for this weather. It's by Ralph Lauren. A purple t-shirt from Fashion Nova. Wide leg Fashion Nova jeans. They give me Free People vibes. I love these jeans. We're going to put on Gucci Guilty. This is the fragrance of the day. Oldie, but a goodie. Love this one. You can never go wrong with this one. So good. It smells so good. So let's go because I do want to stop and get something to eat. And I want to go in the thrift store. That's right here by my house, like my favorite one. I haven't been in there in weeks. Months, actually. It's been at least 2 months. Maybe even 3 months since I've been in there. But yeah, I definitely want to go in there. So let's go ahead and do that because I want more blazers of like this texture and style and weight. Because like I said, they're perfect right now for this spring transitional weather. And right now, it is 66 degrees. So yeah, let's go. OMGG, look how good the nude nails look. Girl, you can't tell me this isn't it. Nude for the win, girl. So classy, so beautiful. Love these. All right, y'all. So the bag of the moment, the bag of the day is my large Telfar bag. I finally got one on the drop that they had on the 18th. It was the black drop. They had everything black on sale, even that denim one. I really wanted that denim one, but y'all know I ain't balling out of control like that. So I had to pick. And I chose this one, and I absolutely love it. So I plan to do like a full-all tell-all on this bag, like a what's in my bag, and show you what I keep in it and how big it really is. But girl, this bag is everything. Like a weekender style size. Love it. Perfect for working girlies like myself who take a lot of stuff to work with them on the daily. This bag is it. You definitely have to have the large. The medium is cool, but the large is everything, okay? Trust me. Telfar and Retro Ones. And we out the door for real. All right, it doesn't look as packed. All right, so we're not going to be in here very long because, like I said, I have to be at work at 11 and it is 10:18. These are really pretty. This would just be pretty just as a console table, but girl, I think this is a radio. Girl. All right, girl, as you saw, they had some cute stuff in there, girl, and the blazers was blazing, okay? Really cute ones. So I don't know. I feel weird for leaving that blue one in there. Though I could swing back around because there was 2 handicap spaces open right there by the door, so we could run in, grab the stuff, and come out. But no, it'll still take a long time because it's packed in there. It didn't look like it was, but they've expanded the parking lot, and girl, they are in there thrifting. The thrifters are thrifting this morning, okay? They are in there picking up all those cool finds, okay? But that blue one was hitting hard though. It was just a little too wintry for me, but it will be great in my winter blazer collection. I should have got it. I got a feeling it'll be in there Monday, so we'll probably go back in there and do some more thrifting Monday because that one will hit hard with any wash of jeans, black jeans, navy blue pants. So I had a mobile order put in for McDonald's, y'all. I gotta get something before I go in here. I got me a fillet of fish and some fries. Maybe I have time to enjoy this while it's hot. I don't know. It's Saturday. Saturday employees are kind of different. There's always something, you know, that needs my attention. We'll see how this goes. Trees are starting to become more green and the flowers are coming in. It's so pretty around this time of year. Spring and the dead of winter. It's just pretty. And fall.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list.
Stop by Chipotle to grab a burrito. It smells so good.
Look, yes, I put my ear to the door and I brought the phone because Diddy started going in overdrive. I ain't know what the was going on, but I just heard balls slapping against cheeks. I heard struggling and tape.
Ooh, child. So it looked like the allegations about me about the internet, they ain't never gonna forget and always come through with receipts, honey. Now, if y'all remember, Meek was exposed for being Diddy's little twink a couple weeks ago.
Proud of you, I love you. Yeah.
Somebody reacted by saying, looks like a private pool party. Meek cooling that hole.
Hey guys, happy Sunday, happy Easter Sunday, y'all. I am just well, I'm not really just waking up. I can't say that because I've been up for a while. I'm always up way earlier than I start these videos, girl, because I already took 2 calls and put on a load of clothes and got back in the bed, and I just been laying here in and out of sleep. You know how that goes when you're having a lazy day. And for the most part, Sundays for me, I never really leave my place, so that's probably what today is going to be for me. Yeah, I'm just going to lounge around and clean up. Most definitely have to clean up. But we are going to get into some of these packages that I have been receiving through the week. And I even received 2 yesterday. We'll probably get into the electronics stuff today. Now, I keep these vitamins on my nightstand so I can remember to take these in the morning. And I have been doing so good with these. I've really and truly been taking these every day. These are the hair, skin, and nail vitamins, the gummies from the Marie brand of Amazon. I have them linked down below, and they truly taste really good. A lot of these vitamins never really taste good, but these taste good. I really do like these, so highly recommend. Highly recommend. And when you open them up, I can't lie, they definitely smell like vitamins. But they taste good. They definitely taste good, though, so definitely check them out. I think you'll like them. Okay, so we're going to start our morning with a bougie cup of coffee, and then we're going to get into some of this PR stuff because I got some cool electronics and gadgets and PR from Amazon that I need to share with you. You might like these. You just might like them. So let's go get this coffee. Egg white omelets, chicken, bacon, cheese, spinach, of course, bell pepper, red pepper, the white onion. All right, so we're going to eat our omelet in our bedroom while we unbox some PR. Doesn't it look good? OMGG. Okay, so Olaplex sent us over a box, girl. This will be my first experience with Olaplex I hear that they're really good and really pricey. So I'll be the judge of that and tell you how I like these once I begin using these products on my hair. Let me know down below in the comments area if you've tried Olaplex before. And what were your thoughts? How do you feel about it? Did you like it? Is it worth the coin, girl? Okay, but I like the photo though. Okay. Super nice. So we have the shampoo. We have the conditioner. And we have what looks to be like a pre-poo. Bond builder. So we do this before we shampoo. But yeah. Check it out. Use this QR code to learn more. But yeah, girl. I'm excited about this. I'm excited. All right. Ooh, so we have a new tripod for your mobile device. So this is perfect for us mobile device creators. I have plenty of cameras, all types of cameras, but my preferred method these days, especially when I'm out vlogging, is my phone. It's just so much easier. And girl, you don't have to worry about people telling you, ma'am, you can't record in here. And you can just do it so easily with your phone and be really sneaky and inconspicuous with it. Because, girl, I get away with recording a lot of stuff holding this phone. But yeah, girl, this is it. So you'll get an in-depth review of this because I'm pretty sure that's what they want. I love it. Can't wait to try out that wireless remote. All right, so we have a portable label maker. In my head, I think this will print labels for shipping. Like if you have a small business, I'm going to see. We're going to definitely test this one out for sure today in this very video. So yeah, I'm pretty sure we have to download apps. So yeah, we're going to get into it. I cannot wait because I'm thinking about starting a little business too. So this would be good if this works the way I think it's going to work, but we'll see. And then next we have a stylus pen for our iPad. Yeah. I've had quite a few of these in addition to my actual Apple Pencil. Sometimes I just don't like to travel and take my Apple Pencil places in fear of losing it. And these have been really, really good alternatives. So can't wait to see how this one works. Because a lot of these have gotten so advanced that when you attach it to your iPad, it even says Apple Pencil. But this one looks like one that we possibly have to charge it outside of the iPad. Because, you know, with the Apple Pencil, the iPad itself charges it. So it looks like from the photo, it will magnetically connect to the iPad, which is a plus. That is really, really nice. So we're going to test this out too, but I know they want a dedicated video as well. So yeah, you're going to see this too really soon, but I'll have everything linked down below just in case you can go ahead and get the, well, in case you want to go ahead and get the jump on some of these items. But yeah, I definitely recommend these for your iPad because they work great. They work great. They really do. All right, so I have a small salad now to hold me over till dinner time. Not sure what I'm going to make for dinner, though I do have a pack of steak in the refrigerator, as well as a few other things, but we'll probably end up going with that. Y'all know steak is my favorite. So I'm going to go grab the ranch dressing and watch TV. So I just opened the wireless tripod. This tripod is so nice. It's so neat. Girl, let me go ahead and show it to you because, girl, I can see me using this quite a bit. I've already paired it to my phone so it connects via Bluetooth. Love, love, love this remote. detaches, girl, works like a pro. Definitely need this if you are a content creator or starting your content creation journey. Girl, you can record from almost any angle with this. Look at this. Now this holds your phone here magnetically, and it comes with this super strong magnet. I already have it attached to the back of my phone, and once you attach it to your phone, it connects, girl. And when it's hooked, it is hooked. It does not move. And with that magnet being attached to the back of your phone, it doesn't hinder you from using your phone cases and whatnot, because I put my phone case back on my phone. I ain't got time to be dropping it, but girl, it works great. I love this. It's the shots for me. I love that I can set this up. Oh yeah, let me show you this. Has a button here at the bottom. Press this. Oh, I just pushed it back. So it releases the legs. So it's a full-blown tripod, making this easy to travel with. Girl, you can take this for dinner and have it set up at the table, getting your cinematic tablescape shots and your photos with the remote. Girl, this is so nice. So I will be traveling with this. This will go with me places. I absolutely love it. It's so nice. It's the remote for me. I absolutely love it. So nice. And it just reattaches to the base. And it comes with a USB-C, a C charger. Super nice. So I'll have it linked down below. And yeah, this spring and summer, girl, I'll be out creating some old Instagram content with this. Definitely going to be using it in the house, though. Super nice. I'm happy to have it.
Your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, or wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. There's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. There's murder. What you mean, you and me? I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around. Let's be polite, not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. Not like you, so baby, I look like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be trippin'. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. There's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. There's murder. Your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, or wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? myself. It's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, it's murder. What you mean, you and me? I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around, speak like now you fuck out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin'. Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, who waited line.
Y'all, my food was so good. I can't even hold you, girl. It was a chef's kiss. But I just finished it and I'm about to get into this movie, girl. It's so good so far. If you hadn't seen Equalizer 3, definitely watch it. About to finish this movie. I'm going to catch y'all in the next one. Bye.
What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself.